just installed the amber lights or markers, however you call them, on the TRD 4Runner Off-Road. A lot of people call them Raptor lights, but I just call them amber lights because they were on vehicles prior to the Raptor. A lot of heavy-duty vehicles would have them. So, anyways, I'm not gonna get too technical. Anyways, I like the way it looks. I went with this setup because I did not want to. Actually, let me turn the vehicle off real quick. It's kind of loud. Okay, we'll keep the lights on. Anyway, so lost my train of thought, but okay. I did not want to do the TRD Grill, mainly because I don't know. I like the way it looks, but kind of wanted to do something different. A lot of people run that grill. Not to say I'm knocking them. It looks great. Just wanted to try something out. My next video will be blacking out these emblems and these bars, but as you can see, as they just turned off, this is how they look like without any, with them being off. You can see the brackets that they are. I actually got these from Etsy. They're 3D printed brackets, so they sort of just slide in there and they clip pretty sturdy. And then the lights I just got from Amazon, as I mentioned previously. These lights are actually for the Tacoma TRD PRO style grill, but with the 3D printed brackets. They fit perfect and they look pretty good. I like the way they look. Definitely look pretty nice. I'm gonna turn them on one more time. Okay, so these are just the low beams and they are turning on. I wired them to turn on with the low beams. That way they're always on, they're running, look better, and I guess you could wire them with the high beams as well, but in my opinion there's no point because they're only going to turn on when you have the high beams on. So anyways, let me know what you think down in the comments. Do you like this setup? Do you like the TRD Pro Grill more? With that grill, you have you get rid of the emblem, you get rid of this, and then you just run the lights like straight across. So it actually looks really good, but I also like this setup. So anyways, thanks for watching. And oh, one last thing. I was attempting to show you the install, but I was actually using someone else's video, and he did it so well that I was like, there's no point in trying to replicate this since he did it so well. So anyways, I'm gonna link his video and hopefully it helps you out. I wired it just like him, did everything just like him, and it worked out perfect. Thanks everyone. What they look like with a little bit more darkness. I was in the garage, so kind of was getting some other light from the garage. So this is what they look like. Getting deeper, I guess a deeper dark. I don't know, I'm not very good at this YouTube stuff.